Kapatid, narinig mo na ba yung phrase na one step at a time, you're almost there? Siguro ano man ang ating pong sitwasyon ngayon ay we need to understand that yung progress po natin ay hindi po ah, laging parang nakukuha sa mabilisan. Kundi yung ating pong progress ay mag-uumpisa siya sa one step, one faithful step. Kahit na hindi po natin siguro nakikita sa ngayon yung dulo or yung ating pong future outcome, pero we are keep moving forward, one step at a time, trusting that the Lord will help us, will guide us in every step na ginagawa natin. And every step, mga kapatid, matters. So yun po yung ibig sabihin nito pong one step at a time. You're almost there. Kahit na sa tingin natin is malayo pa tayo, pero we are closer than we think. Doon po sa ating pong inaasam. Kung ano man yung inaasam po natin or pinapangarap sa buhay, then just begin in one step and trust the Lord na tutulungan kanya to reach kung ano man ang ating pong ninanais. Sabi po sa Psalms 37 verses 23 to 24, sabi niya, the Lord makes firm the steps of the one who delights in Him. Though he may stumble, he will not fall, for the Lord uphold him with His hand. Yan po ang promise ng Panginoon sa atin, na kung ating pong himay-himayin ang verse na ito ay ang sinasabi lang ng Panginoon, sabi niya, the phrase, the Lord makes firm the steps, is God is not passively watching your life unfold. He is working, He is establishing, He is directing your life, and He is strengthening every step na ginagawa natin sa ating pong pagsunod sa ating pong Panginoon. Even when life feels uncertain, no, talagang mayroong mga pagkakataon talagang hindi po sigurado yung ating pong mga buhay para pakiramdam natin, but God is bringing stability, firmness sa ating pong path, sa ating pong daanan o sa ating pong mga ways. And sabi niya, of the one who delights in Him. Ang ibig lang sabihin that it's about relationship. When your heart seeks after God, He doesn't let your effort go to waste. Kung ang ating pong puso ay hinahanap ang Panginoon, hindi po hinahayaan ni Lord na yung ating pong mga effort, yung ating pong mga ginawa ay masasayang. Your journey is not secure because you're strong, but because you are walking with the one who is mighty and strong, and that is God. That is God. And sabi niya, though you may stumble, you will not fall, no? Pero alam ng Panginoon that we are human, we are not perfect. Talagang mayroon time na natitisod tayo, mayroon time na napapagod tayo, mayroon time na nagda-doubt tayo. But stumbling doesn't mean failure. Falling doesn't mean defeat. We can stand. We can, kung nadapa tayo, we can stand again. Kailangan tumayo, tumindig at ano pa rin, move on, no? Move forward to reach towards our dream. Bakit hindi siya failure, hindi siya defeat? Because the Lord upholds him with His right hand. So God is upholding us. Ang ibig lang sabihin ng Panginoon is you are not walking alone. Kasama natin ang Panginoon. That if kung maramdaman mong pagod ka na, you are weak, then we believe that God is strong. God is there to hold us and to help us upang sa ganon is makayanan natin yung ating pong pinagdadaanan. So, ibig sabihin, He is the reason you will make it. So, kapatid, one step at a time. You are almost there. So, wag ka nang give up. Wag kang mag-give up. Wag kang sumuko. Kasama mo ang ating Panginoong Diyos. And every step na ginagawa natin, small or big, kasama natin ang Panginoong Diyos. So, tutulungan tayo ng Panginoon na ma-reach natin yung ating pong goal o yung ating pong inaasam-asam. Now, To start mga kabatid is kailangan, o to apply this, kailangan nating umpisahan every day sa pagtatanong ng ating pong sarili or asking God to help us every step na ating pong gagawin. And then, kung tayo po ay na ma-overwhelm sa ating pong gagawin o sa mga ginagawa, then let's remind ourselves na hindi tayo nag-iisa. Kasama natin ang Panginoong Diyos. In reaching our dreams, in reaching our goals, kasama natin ang Panginoon. So kapatid, you are one step away. And you are closer. You're closer, no? Doon sa ninanais mo. At ang sinasabi ng Panginoon or encouragement ng Panginoon sa atin is one step at a time. Keep going. God is with you and you are almost there. So one step at a time, you are almost there. Don't give up and reach your dream or your goal. God bless you.